Welcome to Rich-Tomkins Connect, where you get information directly from your Rich-Tomkins reps on all your favorite manufacturers. My name is Jessica Sharaba, and today we're going to cover Jomar. Jomar has a diverse product line which supports a wide variety of plumbing, industrial, utility, HVAC, and process control applications. Jomar has several patented and unique valve solutions in their product line, the most prominent being an AutoValve, an emergency shutoff device designed to eliminate any temporary shutdowns, and the Filterball, a combination shutoff valve and strainer. With a broad range of product categories, Jomar has what you need and will have it when you need it. From your basic sweat or thread ball valve to the 4 Ps, press, PEX, plastic, or push-on, to gates and checks and hose bibs. We even have a pretty darn good basket strainer to cover all your residential needs. Commercially, we can help you with our assortment of butterfly valves, cast iron valves, and actuation valve lineups. On the hydronic side, we've got you covered from your tankless water heater kits and your globe and balancing valve needs. Did you know that for a small setup fee and minimum order, Jomar will even put your company name, logo, information on the handle for a customized valve that will have you standing out to your customers? Jomar tests 100% of every product. Why? Because our commitment to quality means all Jomar valve products are made with the highest quality alloys and materials, ensuring optimal product performance and longevity. Hey, and don't be mad if you send an order over and try to add to it a day later, but can't because the order already left the facility. Our goal is to provide industry-leading rates and local inventory. Jomar has over 15 nationwide stocking warehouse and an extensive stock level at its Michigan headquarters. Jomar Valve checks all the boxes. Incredible quality with our broad range of products, fast and accurate delivery, outstanding customer service, and we have a wide range of product certifications that ensure we are providing you with the proper product for the right application. That's all for this episode. If you like what you heard, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website, Rich-Tomkins.com, if you'd like to learn more about our company or any of the manufacturers featured. Talk to you soon.